Hey everyone, welcome back to Life by Vern. Today, we're diving into one of my favorite tropical flavors, tamarind. This sweet, tangy fruit is such a staple in Caribbean kitchens, and I'm going to show you 3 delicious ways to prepare it right at home. Whether you like it spicy, sweet, or refreshing, there's something here for you. The first way I'm going to show you how to make it is by making the beautiful, delicious, and my favorite, tamarind balls. So guys, come on, let's get into it. Let's go. So the first of 3 ways, we are going to make some tamarind balls. Let me introduce you to the ingredients. For the delicious tamarind balls, you are going to need some tamarind, sugar, and I'm using the granulated sugar, guys. And I have about a cup of sugar in here. You are going to need sugar according to the amount of tamarind that you are using. So I'm going to be using about a cup or maybe a little less than a cup. You are going to need about half a teaspoon of powdered ginger, some Scotch Bonnet pepper powder, guys. If you can find this, it is very important. We are going the Caribbean way, Caribbean style. So Scotch Bonnet pepper is what you need. If in case or by chance you cannot find Scotch Bonnet pepper, you can just go ahead and use just regular black pepper. But today I'm showing you how I make my delicious tamarind balls at home. And I always do that using Scotch Bonnet pepper powder. And these tamarind balls are super easy to make. So let's get started. So first thing you do, you go ahead and you open your tamarind. And you just crack the shell open. It's very easy. And then you just pull your tamarind off of the thread that's holding it together. Okay, guys, this is what it should look like once you've pulled all the stems off of the pods, guys. This is what your tamarind looks like. So first thing you want to do, you want to add your sugar. And I have in here 1 cup of sugar. And I think that's just about enough. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of ginger powder and 1 teaspoon of Scotch Bonnet pepper powder, guys. I like my tamarind balls a little on the spicy side. So just go ahead and just mix all of that together. This is how it should look after you've mixed everything together. Your sugar, your ginger powder, and your Scotch bonnet pepper powder. This is what it should look like. Beautiful. So now you just go ahead and taste and see if you need to adjust your spice. And I've already gone ahead and tasted this, and it is as spicy as I like my tamarind balls. So I do not need to add any more Scotch bonnet pepper powder. So that's it. Just go in with your hands and massage the pulp off of the pods, guys. Very easy to do. Now you just go ahead and grab some, as big or as little as you like, and then you just roll it out into a ball. And that's it, guys. Once you roll it out, I have a plate with some sugar. You just place it in here and you just roll it all over in your sugar like this. Look how beautiful it is, guys. And I'm going to go ahead and roll out the rest of it. I think I'm making them a little too big. I'm going to make the rest of it a little smaller. And I'll save the big ones for me. I love tamarind. And if you're from the Caribbean, you know what I mean, guys. Go ahead and leave me a comment in the comment section, guys. Let me know how you make your tamarind balls. If you like them on the big side or if you like them really small. And how spicy do you like your tamarind balls? Let me know in the comment section, guys. And I love the kick to my tamarind balls. So this is why I add the ginger powder to my tamarind balls. It gives it a beautiful gingery flavor and also a little kick to it. So that's my tip to you. Add a little ginger powder to your tamarind balls, guys. Okay, guys, so that's that. Just going to coat our tamarind balls here in our sugar. And also place a little sugar in the bowl that you're going to place your tamarind balls in, so it doesn't stick to the bowl or the container that you're going to place it in, guys. Or if you're going to place it in a jar, put some sugar in the bottom of the jar, and after you place your tamarind balls in there, give it a little shake. That prevents the tamarind balls from sticking to each other. And that's it, guys. Our delicious tamarind balls. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And please stay tuned for our next video where I show you another way that I enjoy my tamarind. They look amazing. I am so excited. I can't wait to eat. Guys, this is a very quick and simple tamarind recipe, the tamarind balls. Please go ahead, stay tuned. Next time, I'm going to bring you another way I enjoy my tamarind. So I'm going to show you another tamarind recipe. So please come back. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Now, let's eat. Look how beautiful it is. Just so ooey, gooey, all natural. This is what you want. You want it nice and gooey. You do not want it too stiff, guys. Oh my gosh. So good. A little spicy, but this is how I enjoy it. If you are going to feed to the kiddos, you can always skip the pepper. Just put a little dash of black pepper in there. But guys, this is so delicious. The perfect amount of spice in there. Just the way I like it. Ooey gooey tamarind balls. And if you're from the Caribbean, leave me a comment in the comment section and let me know how you enjoy your tamarind balls. Until the next video, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.